Okay, so Ron, I'm just going to show you how you would set up your exam for individual people. So I'm just going to go here to my exam 3 in my nutrition. And once you're in there, you're going to click edit. And you're going to scroll all the way down. And you're going to notice that it defaults to include everybody or everyone to take this exam. But if you have your 2 students that missed that exam, you can go into your exam, you can X this out. And let's say it was Britton, okay, and I say, okay, Britton can take the exam, and maybe Tristan missed the exam, all right? So now I've got my 2 students here. You can then change the date when you want that due date to be, and as you can see, I've put here until April the 19th, all right? So you can change those 2 dates. And then when you're done with that, you're going to click Save, and then only those 2 people are going to be able to see the exam. Now, the trick is you have to remove those names for this grading column to show up. So once they've taken the exam, you're going to come back into Edit and you're going to remove them. Okay, and then you want to make sure that you select everyone again, because if you don't, your grading column shows that nobody else has taken the exam, and the fact is that they have. So you put their names in there. Once they take the exam, you go back to the edit, remove their names, and then select everyone. So hopefully that was helpful and gives you an opportunity to figure out how to do that.